Ginklaro ni Pope Leo XIV nga wala sa nahadlok ka US President Donald Trump. Hapisar nga ginaatake sa sinisubong bangod sa iya panindugan sa giyera sa Middle East. Ang pahayag ni Pope Leo kasunod sa malawig nga post ni Trump nga nagasiling nga hindi sa fan sang Santo Papa. Ginsiling man siling nga maluya si Pope Leo kag terrible sa foreign policy. Sunod kay Trump, hindi gusto ang isa ka Santo Papa nga nagapinsar nga okay lang nga makaangkon sa nuclear program ang Iran. Ginpahayag ini ni Trump matapos ang prayer vigil for peace nga ginpaunahan sang Santo Papa sang weekend. Sang ulihin nagpost pagid si Trump sang AI-generated image kung sinin makitaan siya nga nagabayo kangay kay Jesus kag daw ginapagwa sini nga nagapangbulong sa sang mga tawo. Ginuulan sang pagpakamalaot ang mga picture kag sang ulihi gindelete ni Trump.
I don't think he's doing a very good job. He likes crime, I guess. He hit us. Think of it. He's worried about fear. What about the fear when the ministers and the priests and all of those great people that were arrested during COVID, and in many cases they're outside 10 feet apart, and they were arrested. We don't like a pope that's going to say that it's okay to have a nuclear weapon. We don't want a pope that says crime is okay in our cities. I don't like it. I'm not a big fan of Pope Leo. He's a very liberal person, and he's a man that doesn't believe in stopping crime. He's a man that doesn't think that we should be toying with a country that wants a nuclear weapon so they can blow up the world. I'm not a fan of Pope Leo.
Si United States President Donald Trump, sunod naman kay Pope Leo nga mong labing unang Santo Papa halin sa Estados Unidos ng Amerika, hindi sa makikdebate kay Trump. Nagsiling ang Santo Papa nga wala sa sang tuyo nga takihon ng iban, pagi sa iya ginapanghambal, sunod sa iya hindi sa politiko, kagang iya ginahimo among pagtibong sang kalinong, kag pagpinatawaray agud malikawan ang giyera.
I don't want to get into a debate with him. I don't think that the message of the gospel is meant to be abused in the way that some people are doing. And I will continue to speak out loudly against war, looking to promote peace, promoting dialogue and multilateral relationships among the states, to look for just solutions to problems. Too many people are suffering in the world today. Too many innocent people are being killed. And I think someone has to stand up and say there's a better way to do this.
Namarian ang kabayinsang pahayag sang Santo Papa.